You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is c equals 36. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Multiply the fractions. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Break up the fraction. Simplify the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Group all c terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 1 over 2c from both sides. Group the coefficients. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the c. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 12 over -1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is c equals 36.